Welcome to KZ Auto Hub. Today, get ready to experience something truly special. We are about to dive deep into the futuristic reimagination of a beloved model, introducing the breathtaking 2026 Hyundai Tucson Concept, finished in an ultra-sleek satin gray that demands attention the moment it enters the room. This is not just a refresh. This is a revolution, stretching the boundaries of what a mid-size SUV can be at first glance. The extended long body chassis immediately sets a dominant tone, giving it an unmistakable presence among a sea of ordinary vehicles. The Tucson's proportions have been meticulously re-engineered to offer a grand, limousine-like stance while maintaining its athletic character. Its lowered profile hugs the ground with authority, and the massive sculpted body kits on all sides bring an aggressive, bold statement that makes it clear this is no ordinary crossover. At the front, the enormous grille is the centerpiece, designed with intricate details that fuse futuristic elegance with raw power. The sharp, blade-like headlights slice through the visual space, their intense LED beams ready to illuminate the roads of tomorrow. Every crease, every surface of the front fascia has been designed to catch light in the most dramatic way possible under the bright daylight pouring into the showroom. The satin gray finish looks absolutely stunning, showing different shades of gray depending on the angle and intensity of the light. The large rims, wrapped in ultra-low profile tires, fill the wheel arches completely, making the car look planted, aggressive, and performance-focused even when standing still. Moving to the side profile, the Tucson's long and flowing silhouette speaks of speed and luxury. Its muscular shoulders and deeply sculpted side skirts, combined with oversized aerodynamic mirrors, scream modern sophistication, while the razor-sharp beltline runs from the front to the rear with unbroken energy. The side windows are slim and elegant, framed by glossy black trim, offering a perfect contrast to the muted satin gray bodywork. Subtle hints of chrome detailing complete the upscale yet sporty look without feeling overdone. At the rear, the drama continues. The taillights are connected through a thin, luminous strip that stretches the entire width, accentuating the vehicle's broad and powerful stance. The rear diffuser and integrated body kits make the back end look ready to take on a racetrack. The twin exhaust ports, beautifully integrated into the lower bumper, add a touch of aggressive performance flair without being too loud or exaggerated. Standing behind the Tucson, you can feel the future of Hyundai's design philosophy breathing new life into the SUV category. Inside, the 2026 Tucson Concept delivers a world-class interior that blends luxury, technology, and minimalism. Opening the door reveals a cabin designed for the future, yet comfortable enough for everyday journeys. Futuristic ambient lighting accents the flowing dashboard, which is dominated by a massive dual-screen setup seamlessly integrated into the front. The center console floats elegantly, housing touch-sensitive controls finished in brushed aluminum. Every surface, from the leather seats to the carbon fiber inlays, has been crafted with obsessive attention to detail. The spaciousness created by the extended chassis is immediately noticeable, giving passengers in both rows abundant room to stretch out and relax. Satin gray accents subtly tie the interior to the exterior theme, while high-end materials provide a tactile experience unmatched in its class. The steering wheel is a flattened, sporty design, packed with touch-sensitive controls and finished in a soft matte leather that feels incredible to grip. Connectivity is at its peak with wireless smartphone integration, over-the-air updates, and a voice command system that actually feels intuitive. The Tucson's cabin isn't just futuristic. It is deeply human-centric, designed to make life easier, more connected, and simply more enjoyable. Even sitting inside the ordinary showroom filled with random visitors and other cars, this Tucson stands out like a concept that accidentally slipped through from a future we were promised but never quite received. The natural daylight filtering through the showroom windows dances across the satin gray paint, highlighting every curve, every line, and every sculpted surface with breathtaking clarity. Random people walking past stop and stare, their conversations momentarily interrupted by the magnetic presence of this extraordinary vehicle. Every detail, from the sharply designed door handles to the artistic alloy wheel designs, has been optimized not just for beauty, but for aerodynamic efficiency. Underneath the beautiful bodywork lies a hybrid electric drivetrain tuned for performance and efficiency, hinting that Hyundai plans not just to impress with design, but to dominate the future roads with intelligent engineering. It is hard not to be completely captivated standing next to the 2026 Tucson Concept. It is a masterclass in modern automotive design, a reminder that practicality, luxury, and aggressive styling do not have to be mutually exclusive. Hyundai has taken a huge step forward here, not just refreshing the Tucson nameplate, but completely redefining what we should expect from a futuristic urban SUV. It speaks to adventurers, tech lovers, and style seekers all at once. It is a car that feels alive with potential, ready to break free from the constraints of conventional design and truly lead the way into a bold new era. And that wraps up our exclusive first look at the incredible 2026 Hyundai Tucson Concept in satin gray. If you enjoyed this journey into the future of Hyundai and want to see more stunning automotive designs from around the world, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to KZ Auto Hub, and turn on the notifications so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.